This is how I fold a fitted bed sheet. So, take your sheet here, just out of the dryer, find 2 nearby corners, pinch those, and turn the sheet so that the tighter inseam is away from you. Grab the corresponding corners, pinch those, line them up on either side. So you've got something like this. Now, on a flat surface, it's easier. So I've got my pinched corners like this. Take one side and turn the corners inside out. And then tuck that corner into its corresponding corner on the other side. Pinch the corners again. Hopefully you can see here, it's already making sort of a natural square shape. And then with this square shape, it's pretty much just folding in halves. There it is.